Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, put on your notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. So once you locate it, the first time around, you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to, most importantly, change things like the password. Now it is randomly generated, so without actually going in here, you have no way of knowing what it is. So that's why the first time around you want to get in here. Now additionally, with that password, I would recommend changing it to something that might be a little bit easier for you to remember. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length. So there we go. At which point you can save it. Now you can change other settings if you want to, if you know what they do. But if you're not sure, I would probably recommend keeping them as they are. That will ensure that your hotspot will function properly every time you need to utilize it, no matter what the device you will be using it with. So tap on a check mark to save it, and as you can see, it updated the password. So now all we need to do is turn it on. So whenever you want to use your hotspot, simply tap on a toggle, and there we go. It is right now turned on. And once you're done with it, you can again navigate back to your notifications, tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.